Opportunities continue to grow in online markets, and there are still billions of dollars to be made in e-commerce. So it's no surprise that new e-commerce businesses are springing up on a daily basis. Welcome to e-commerce know-how, and in this video, we are looking at whether e-commerce can actually make you a millionaire. With the ever-increasing use of the internet and its popularity across all demographic categories, e-commerce is by far the best option for practically all enterprises. It's never easy to respond to aspiring e-commerce entrepreneurs who question, how much money can I make with an e-commerce store? The reason for this is simple. While there is no assurance of making money, there is also no limit to how much money you can make. It makes no difference if you want to earn $10,000 or more per month, or if you just want to save some money for a rainy day. E-commerce can make you a millionaire too, and it's proven. You'll be able to meet whatever financial goals you set for yourself as long as you run your e-commerce business successfully. E-commerce has aided firms in increasing their efficiency by streamlining the manufacturing and service delivery processes. Fast and cost-effective internet business transactions have gone a long way toward increasing business efficiency. There is no getting around the fact that getting your online business up and operating